I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select an action. Integromat. Give here the webhook link. So please visit the Integromat dashboard. Click on plus icon and search webhook. Custom webhook. Choose a hook. Copy the link and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Test webhook. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Integromat site. Click on the plus icon and search for your desired app to send data. I am choosing Airtable. Get a record. Click on Airtable. Add. Select a base. Select a table. Map the respective fields. OK. Click on Run once. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. In this way you can send your data by using Integromat. Thanks for watching.